Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying and you are safe at home. I am here with the chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Expert Detectives, right? I hope you understood the meaning of expert detectives. We'll come to know who are expert detectives in this story, right? This is a story about a person who is the main character of this story, Mr. Nath, and Maya and Nishad are expert detectives in this story. We'll come to know, right? This story has half a dozen, means 6 characters. 3 of them are children, right? The narrator, his younger brother Nishad, 7 years old, and his sister Maya of 10 years old. They became expert detectives in this story, right? And how they become expert detectives, we'll come to know, right? Their mother is a doctor, and Mr. Nath, the principal character of this story, who lives in Shankar's house alone, is under her treatment. Who's Maya and Nishad's mother, right? And Nishad, the meaning of Nishad is number 7, and it's a musical notes name also, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So according to that, Nishad number 7, and he is very famous by 7 only instead of Nishad, right? Ramesh takes tea and meals from the restaurant to Nath's room. Nath pays cash and also tips to the bearer well. So we know that the Mr. Nath, he stays in that Shankar's house and he is under treatment. So something is there to find out. So that's why Maya and Nisha, they try to get informations about the man who pays money, cash, to the bearer and tips also, right? So, and already he is not working, he is not going anywhere, he doesn't have friends also. So curiosity is there, how he is earning, from where he is getting money. This curiosity is among Maya and Nishad, and they are trying to find out what are the reasons behind why he is alone here and how he is paying, from where he is getting money to pay for meal and all, and he is not working anywhere. So from where he is getting money, that is their curiosity. The children go ahead to collect information about Nath. They think Mr. Nath is a mysterious person. He has no friend there. Nishad has a bit of sympathy for Nath. His approach is, this case is sensible. So both of them are very curious to know all about Mr. Nath, and they are trying to get informations. One day they were playing with marble, and it enters Mr. Nath's room, and he got chance to enter his room. As he doesn't have any friends, so no one is knowing about him much. As Miss Nishad's marble enters the room, so he got chance to go inside and see who is that fellow and how does he look. He go there and took that marble, and he saw and came out. Maya asked, how did he look? How did he look like you entered the room? Because Maya is also very curious to know all about the man who is living alone and who is not working anywhere and who is paying money to the bearer also, to the restaurant also. The narrator is sure that Mr. Nath is an escaped crook or criminal. So the narrator, he is very sure that the person is a crook or criminal. Because of that only he doesn't have friends and he is living alone and he is not working. Then also he is able to pay money for his food and for living also, right? Nishad is doubtful. He wants to discover the truth and he collects a lot of information in the case. The narrator has got a ready answer to all Nishad's doubts. He thinks that Mr. Nath is a rich man. So now ready-made answer, what is that ready-made answer? Ready-made means easily we can guess that okay, maybe he is very rich, because of that he is having money, and maybe he is having a big trunk. They are guessing. Nishad is guessing, Maya is guessing. Maybe he is having a big trunk in that room, and in the trunk silver coin, gold coin or money is there. Maybe he is millionaire. Because of that he need not to work. He is not working anywhere. Then also he is able to pay for rent or that food, right? He has got perhaps millions of rupees locked in some trunks in his room. So they are guessing maybe he has lots of money, millions of rupees locked in some trunk in his room, right? Because of that only he doesn't want to work and he is not working anywhere, and he is paying for food and that rent also. Now he notes the scars also on Nath's face. When he entered the room to take out his marble, he saw there was a trunk, right? And at the same time he saw scars on his face, scars, marks, okay, burn marks on his face. And Nath might have got them during a shootout with the police. So they are guessing they were just trying to find out the reason why he is alone and why he is here only and not working, and he is having lots of money even. So seeing that marks on his face, they are guessing maybe at the time of escaping from the police, or like that he is a criminal. So because of that, when policemen were behind him, maybe he got that mark because of that only. And but Nishad contradicts him. Mummy told they were burn scars. So maybe it was done by the policeman, but Nishad said no, no, no. My mother told they were burn scars, because Mama is also not ready to tell all these things. No, Mama is not willing to give this information. Who is that? Just said no, no, no. These are burn marks. Okay. One day Seven goes alone to his mama's clinic at Girgaon. He gets upset to see Mr. Nath, who looks so thin, poor and starving. He goes to Mr. Nath's room and puts a bar of chocolate in the man's hand. He collects one more clue about Mr. Nath's routine. So one day Nishad went to Mr. Nath, his mother's clinic, and there he saw that Mr. Nath was looking very thin and poor looking and starving, as if he doesn't have food and he is starving. Starving means die in hunger, right? Die in hunger. He goes to Mr. Nath's room and puts a bar of chocolate. So he got sympathetic, he felt sympathetic, or he took sympathy on the man. He took sympathy on the man and he gave chocolates, okay, bar of chocolate, one chocolate he gave to the man. And at that time he collects one more clue about Mr. Nath's routine. Ramesh told him that on every Sunday he take 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and and at the same time one visitor used to come over there. Only one person used to come or came or used to come to him to visit him. Only one person is there, not many person, and that is only on Sunday he used to come to meet Mr. Nath. So because of that, they are very curious कि only one person comes to meet him. What is the reason behind? Why other people are not coming to meet him? So that is the curiosity to them. And the tall, fair and stout visitor talks a lot, and that the man who comes on Sunday, he is very tall, fair and stout, okay, and he talks too much. But the Mr. Nath, he doesn't, okay, only that man talks a lot. Nath is a crook, so but he cannot imagine that Mr. Nath is a crook. He cannot imagine even कि वो Mr. Nath कैसे crook हो सकता है, कैसे criminal हो सकता है. It's not easy to imagine. It's not possible, because seeing him, no one can say that he is a criminal, right? So this is the first part of this story. Afterwards, what happened we'll come to know. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.